All right, hey, new painting today. I've got a 18 by 24 ampersand gesso board. I've got 2 sessions on this guy, not long sessions. I try to keep it quick. Got a lot of stuff going on, and just haven't had time to really like focus, which maybe is a good thing. So I didn't like over fuss anything, because I'm really happy with this way this guy came out. I've got a little angle over here I'm not particularly fond of. I'm gonna smush that up and maybe add a little bit of light over in here, but for the most part I'm really happy with the way this guy is sitting. So much so, Laura, I see you. We're going to use this as next month's Zoom demo, this month's Zoom demo, which will be out in like a couple weeks or whatever. So I'll put the link there for that, and we'll go over because we've got layers of clouds here, right? We've got the dark in front and the light behind it and stuff, so kind of cool. And I'll step by step that through a Zoom demo later. But what I'm doing here is I'm setting up a Nauset Beach scene up from the Cape. I've got a reference photo. Let me flash that on the screen. It's flat, right? The sky's dead. The beach is just one value. So I'm just going to use the elements, the people, and the lifeguard tower. You know, just those elements to populate my foreground up here. Or middle ground, I don't know, right? It's not really the foreground. And I wanted a more dramatic sky, so I pulled that from some parking lot reference. You see a nice day, just take photos of the sky and sort of put that together. So I'm not good with the computers. I still do like Photoshop manually. So like, yeah. So I'm gonna use this sky. We're gonna use the beach reference, but the beach reference is also flat. There's no light. So there's a man, Edward Seago, great painter. Here's a couple of his images, and we're going to use, we're going to borrow how he takes the light, right? So we've got probably going to do some sort of shadow in the foreground, have some light hitting in the distance, then we'll have the dark, then we'll have the light again. So what I'm thinking is we'll have like dark, light, whoosh, go up into the sky. That's the plan. We'll see how it goes. For the, I'm going to keep things neutral, not a lot of colors, and I will try to incorporate some of these blues into the sky, into the ground. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Zoom demo's coming up later this month. We'll go over painting a sky like this if you're interested. So now I'm going to paint up the beach a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's it. We're done. Day at the beach. I had a lot of fun trying to put in all the little figures, little umbrellas, things at the beach. They're all really small. I tried to just make impressions of them. I tried really hard not to render things. Just wanted to give that feeling of what's going on there and having some life and activity over in the distance. I think it came out quite nice. This painting's going to be at Addison Art Gallery in February. I'm going down there in the middle of February. I think I'll be doing a live demo down there, up there. And if you want to paint a similar sky to this, we're going to do that for this month's Zoom demo. So sign up. I'll put that in the comments below. Hope you got a little something out of this. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all the YouTube stuff, so we can do more of these. All right, I'll be back later.